I convert my phone, my laptop, and my PC into a second monitor. Let's figure it out how.
The note you need to know is connect all of your devices into the same network.
This is the computer. I need to share the screen of that into my old laptop and into my Android phone. We need to download and install an application which name of it is Space Desk. Open this website. I also put the download link on the description. I need to just simply press on download. You need to install this one into the computer that you want to share a screen of that. So just simply download it for your operating system. I just simply double click on it, hit the next, accept the agreements, and press on install. Okay, I press on the finish. I open the application. So our server is ready.
We successfully installed the server app into our main computer, which we want to share that screen into the other devices. Done. For the next step, we need to install the client apps into the devices that are going to be our next screen. As an example, you can use Android devices as your next screen, next monitor. You can use your iOS devices. You can use even Windows computers and laptops. And you can also use the devices that supports HTML5. For example, if you have any TV at your house that supports HTML5, you can simply convert that one into your next screen and use that. In here, we need to simply just search Space Desk, open the website, hit on the download a Space Desk Viewer software for secondary machine. So I hit on download for Windows. I hit on run, next, accept the agreements, next, and install. Okay, I just enable the checkbox of the launch Space Desk Viewer and hit on the finish. As you can see, when I launch this app, my computer shows. My server computer shows, and I simply click on it, device. Okay, if you hit on the view and select full screen, the page it will be set as full screen, and you can also use Alt plus Enter shortcut like this. We are going to install client app into our Android device. Let's go. Go to Play Store and search Space Desk. Space Desk display is installed. I hit on the open.
If you are going to use the app with HTML5, you need to go to the website and press on go to HTML5 viewer page. In here, you need to just simply type your IP address, and you are going to connect into your main system, your server one. The IP address that you need to type on the HTML5 part is in here. If you click, you will see them, and if you want, you can even read it from here. iOS users can simply download a Space Desk Display Screen app on the App Store. Do the settings that we do on the Android device, and you can easily connect your phone into your computer. Right now, I connect 3 devices into my main computer, and we are going to see the display. I can simply arrange them like this. 1, 4, 2 will be here. I can simply arrange them. As an example, if I set them like this, if I hit an identify, 1 is a 3, again this is a 4, 1, 2, 4, and this one is the number 3. Before creating a video wall, let me tell you what is actually a video wall. As you can see, I draw a big monitor and name that wall number 1. Wall number 1 is created with 4 screens. Okay, we arrange 4 screens to create a video wall and name that wall number 1. If you play a video or if you open a picture, as you can see, I draw a kid in here
Screen number 1 shows his hand, screen number 2 shows your subject other hand and a bit part of his head. Screen 3 and 4 are going to show your subject legs. And in conclusion, a video wall is a large monitor that multiple monitors created that.
At first, go to the video wall and turn that on. After that, you will see devices that added into your computer on this unassigned part. You need to press on them, right click and hit assign to wall 0 because we want to create a wall at the wall 0. And if you don't want to do that, you just simply hit wall index at 0, then hit on enter. Okay, I set 3 devices onto my video wall, which is wall 0, and we must not change the size of them. Let them to be their original size. Okay, as you can see, all of them supports 9020 x 1080. The whole thing we need to change is this part. Go to video wall. As you can see, this is your wall, and that looks like a mess because I did a mess on that. You just simply go to one of them, go to one of your screens, hit on float wall preview. You have 3 devices that supports 9020 x 1080. And hit on the interval. As you can see, this is your wall result. And if I again go in here, hit the float. So for now I need to change them. You need to change the positions X and Y. For example, if I change it like this and hit enter button, this wall or this screen becomes into this location. Okay, this is the first one. I hit rotation angles to 0 because I don't want to rotate anything, and the position should be this. Okay, again, that's a lot. Done. Okay, if I hit on float wall preview, as you can see, I simply arranged 3 screens with this arrangement, and if I had more screens, I'm going to use them to complete this wall. Okay, as you can see, the top surface is onto this phone, this is the middle one, and this one is the bottom one. Okay, if we do it on a website, you'll have a better result. And if you want to type anything, you need to just simply hit on these 3 items, click on the keyboard, type anything you want, and hit the enter button. So you can search it without using your keyboard and mouse, just simply with your phone.